Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Debabrata. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to scan the QR code and save the QR code data in the Google Sheet as very basic database. So what I did for that, I wrote Google Apps script. It is look like this, and I deployed the script as Google Web App, and I opened the Google Web App link in my mobile phone. I will use my mobile phone to scan the QR code. And when I scan, the QR code data will be saved here. So in my previous video, what I did, I wrote VBA code and I generated this QR code here of this A column value. Now I will scan the QR code and I expect that this value will return in my Google Sheet here. So let's go to my mobile phone to scan it and check how it works. Now I open the Google Web App in my mobile phone. Let's start scanning. I'll scroll. Yes, the last one, it was an emoji. Okay, all scanned and the data appeared here. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have any question or you want the source code, just comment below. Thanks for watching this video till end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.